Alright, so in this video, I'm going to answer one of the most important questions people have been asking me about WhatsApp. Now, what is the question? The question is, what are the differences between WhatsApp link and WhatsApp lead form? For people who have been advertising on Facebook, on Instagram, and other meta platforms, it might be very easy for them to capture WhatsApp leads with the advertisement. However, if you're trying to advertise on platforms like Google, YouTube, and so on, you might not find that very easy, and that is the reason why I think I need to address this particular question right in this video. So what you are seeing on my screen is a WhatsApp link. When I clicked on the WhatsApp link, it takes me directly to this dialog box for me to enable the pop-up to open my WhatsApp application, and that way I can proceed by sending this predefined text right here to the user. However, if I'm trying to advertise on platforms like Google or YouTube and I want to use this particular WhatsApp link as my landing page, the advert might not be approved, and in that case I might not be able to send traffic to this particular link, and if I can't do that, then I will not be able to capture leads on WhatsApp. Instead, what I can do is I can use a WhatsApp lead form, and then I can set that as a landing page and send people to that particular page whereby they can fill the form and submit those information directly on WhatsApp, and this way I can capture them as my lead. So that is exactly what I want to show you right now. So this is WhatsApp link that you're seeing right here. So WhatsApp link usually start with api.whatsapp.com/send. Now it is different from WhatsApp lead form. So I want to show you what WhatsApp lead form looks like on this particular page. Now look at this page. I created this page specifically to capture WhatsApp lead, and this is just a demonstration. I have other pages I created to capture WhatsApp lead, and this is just like the usual opt-in page we use to capture email leads. So right now you can see this is WhatsApp lead form. That is what I configured the page to look like. Now you can see the form right here. It says enters your email, and then I ask a question right here. Have you written Jam? That is basically how I configure this particular form. Now the interesting thing is that if a user enters the email address and answer this question and click on submit on WhatsApp, the information submitted will be captured in my WhatsApp platform, and that is particularly the WhatsApp platform I used to create this particular form you are seeing right here. Now, why is this different from the previous link I shared with you right here? You can see this is the link, and what this link is doing is going to send me directly to the WhatsApp web application or the WhatsApp application where I can start chatting directly with the user. But this will not help me to capture the user's information like the user's name, the phone number, the location, and so on and so forth. And because of that, this is not going to work for lead generation on WhatsApp. However, with this particular one right here, immediately the user enter this information and click on submit on WhatsApp. Whether the user proceed to chatting on WhatsApp or not, the information will be captured. And once the information has been captured, I can use this for my marketing purpose. So one of the major differences between WhatsApp lead form and WhatsApp link is that you can configure the WhatsApp lead form anyhow you want it to be. You can use it to capture as many information as possible. Right here you can see I'm capturing two information, the email and the question I want them to answer. If I want to collect information like the phone numbers, the location, the gender, and so on, I can do that with the help of this WhatsApp lead form. So that is one of the best things with the WhatsApp lead form. And another thing is that I can configure the page, the lead page, anyhow I want it to be, and this will serve like my landing page if I want to run advertisement on platform like Google or YouTube. So with this particular form, I will be able to send traffic to the page and capture the lead. However, if you are using this particular WhatsApp link, you can't do anything other than just configuring the predefined text like the one you are seeing right on my screen, which is this one right here. So you can only configure the predefined text. You cannot capture any information other than the phone number that the person used to send the message. So with the WhatsApp link, you cannot set it as your landing page when you're trying to advertise on platforms like Google and YouTube. But if you create the WhatsApp lead form, you can embed the form on any page of your choice. Right now, I embedded this form on my website, and I can use this particular landing page for my advertisement. You can embed the form anywhere. If you have a platform that allows you to create a free page and you can embed form, then you should be able to embed a WhatsApp lead form on that page. So that is basically the major difference between the WhatsApp lead form and then WhatsApp link. The WhatsApp lead form can be used as a landing page if you're trying to advertise to capture leads on WhatsApp. However, with the WhatsApp link, you cannot use it as a landing page if you're trying to advertise on platforms like Google and YouTube. So now you understand that if you want to start capturing leads on your WhatsApp, the best way to do that is to go ahead and create a page and embed your WhatsApp lead form for you to be able to capture the lead. And with this, you can do a lot of automation to run your marketing efficiently. I know you might have been curious to know about the platform I used to create a lead form. I'm going to drop the link to that platform right in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and click on the link, and then you'll be able to create an account for yourself. With that platform, you can create the form and embed it on any page of your choice and use that page as your landing page and send your traffic to that page, and then you'll be able to capture leads on your WhatsApp. And I believe with this, I have been able to answer the major difference between WhatsApp lead form and the WhatsApp link. Right here is WhatsApp link, and it's only going to direct me to the WhatsApp platform. However, with the WhatsApp lead form, I can embed the form anywhere on the internet. Now you know the difference, and then you can go ahead and use this to generate leads on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question about it, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I will do everything possible to answer the question. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.